Tua tama waru e tapu nunga ne pono me te maanga e tūtuku mai a ai. Kia ora whānau, my name is Bev Brougham, Chairperson of Committee Hahi from Pariha Te Tatau, Sydney. Here in Brisbane, supporting our whānau. Had a wonderful day yesterday, Morihu Day in Logan City. Hats off to our Logan City Pariha and all the people of Brisbane. It was a wonderful day of coming together under iho, the banner of Morihutanga. It was an honour to be part of such a wonderful day. So thank you Logan City Pariha for the invite. Here to support many future events. I urge all our morihu to become active, get along and support the huis, get on to our committees so that you can help in decision making. Be proactive, don't leave it to just a handful. This is a gift from iho, to be a morihu. It's about love, it's about compassion, it's about looking after all people. So thank you Logan City Pariha for putting the shout out there for our people that are living over here. Contact all the whānau, showing them where you're at, that yes, we are here strong as doing the mahi. So please whānau, get in there and support and help where you can. So once again, love to you all, keep up the great work, God bless. Kia ora whānau.